Is it the right time to make a move with Novo Nordisk A/S stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Novo Nordisk A/S. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 2, 2024. And now, we're excited to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could potentially affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 20, 2023, our system has identified Novo Nordisk A/S as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.67. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this time. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.23% since we first recommended Novo Nordisk A/S as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.41% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents an opportunity for short-term traders to sell as the price is likely to move back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $115.97, it could indicate a stronger rate of increase. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 10.25% change in the stock price over the next 3 months. The return during this period could range from -0.714% to 12.45%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 47.99% change in the stock price over the next year. This could result in a return between 26.38% and 50.9%. This means that the stock price could range from $143.69 to $171.58 after a year. Our latest update on Novo Nordisk A/S brings an important headline: evaluation of Novo Nordisk A/S stock downgraded after the last trading session. On Friday, February 2, 2024, the Novo Nordisk A/S stock price decreased by 1.8%, going from $115.79 to $113.70. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a 1.19% fluctuation, ranging from a low of $113.24 to a high of $114.59. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen on 5 occasions and has increased by 6.3% in the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 5 million shares bought and sold for approximately $569.41 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $116.12, while the lowest price was $67.63. At present, the stock price is 2.08% or $2.42 below the 52-week high and 7.18% or $8.80 below the all-time high on November 29, 2022, when the price reached $122.50. Analyst ratings. In an update on Wednesday, January 10, 2024, it was reported that William Blair gave Novo Nordisk A market perform grade with a hold action. Another report on Monday, April 25, 2022, mentioned that Cowen & Company gave Novo Nordisk A outperform grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Novo Nordisk A/S stock a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratios are both rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Novo Nordisk A/S, a pharmaceutical company. The stock of Novo Nordisk A/S is showing positive signs according to both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, the stock is expected to find support at $110.86 and $105.39. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. One such signal was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Since then, the stock has fallen by -1.80%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of trades has decreased along with the stock price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume generally follows the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average showed a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 126 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 124 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about Novo Nordisk A/S and its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Novo Nordisk A/S currently has a support level at $109.02, which is backed by accumulated volume. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when it is tested. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements throughout the day, making the risk associated with trading it medium. Yesterday, the stock price moved $1.35 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.19% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.8%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Novo Nordisk A/S, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.660. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a notable impact on stock prices. Today, let's delve into potential day trading levels for Novo Nordisk A/S. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Novo Nordisk A/S stands at $114.74. If you currently don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to keep in mind for swing trading. On the contrary, if we witness a downward trend, Novo Nordisk A/S encounters its first support level at $109.02. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $108.80, which is a decrease of 4.31%. This particular stock has moderate daily movements, which means it carries a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 1 day ago. Is Novo Nordisk A/S stock a good buy? We have observed several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend, leading us to believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity for Novo Nordisk A/S stock. However, We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, February 5th, we anticipate that Novo Nordisk A.S. will open up with a gain of $0.143, starting the trading day at $113.84. Before we proceed, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be sharing our current view on a particular stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? Let's dive in and discuss. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a successful day from all of us at Stock Invest.